Hey traders, the first pair that we'll be working on will be the Aussie CHF. A clear ascending trend line here. And we're actually looking for a counter trend trade here. So we draw out these zones. You can see that there are two horizontal levels here. So we can identify a push phase right here and a bearish flag over here. We expect the market to break down, give us a pullback and a shot towards the next level of support right here. So what do we need to see at this level would be weak buyers. We want to sell at this level, right? So we want more selling pressure than buying pressure over here. So if that happens, we can actually short this pair towards the next level of support. So next step, we have CHFJPY. We will mark out the key level of structure, which is here. We have a neckline over here, and we have a support level right here. So these are the levels that we will need. So with the market being overall bullish, right, we will look for a push phase, pullback, and we will buy over here. With an extension towards the upside. So we will want bullish pressure over here and weak sellers over here. However, if prices were to break down and give us a retest here, you can actually look for short opportunities over here. But this will be a counter trend trade, and you always want to trade alongside with the trend. So you have to be quick with your decision and maybe aim towards this level or this level. Next up, we have the euro dollar. So last week we actually caught a trade here. We made about 1.4%, but now you can see that we have a consolidation over here. We have a potential bullish pattern. So dropping down to the hourly time frame, you can see that prices are making sort of a flag pattern right about here. So what we would really like to see would be a double bottom created. So prices failed to break this level, and we see a push phase breaking out of this and making a higher high compared to this level. So this is the double bottom neckline, right? And we want to pull back to capture a long here. And we will aim the 1.272 flag extension towards this level. So next up we have Pound Aussie. We identify a zone here where prices got rejected and form an inside bar followed up by a breakdown. So we drop down to the lower time frame. You can see that there is a structure created here. Multiple rejections inside this zone, right? So what we're looking for would be a retest onto this level. So we drop down to the lower time frame again. You can see that on the hourly we have a potential trendline retest right here. So we are waiting for prices to come back towards this level and find shorting opportunities over here. And our take profit level would be this level right here. So look for bearish price action and put a sell trade over here. Give some leeway in case prices spikes up and come back down. So this would be the analysis for Pound Aussie. Next up, we have Pound CAD. We identify two zones over here, a resistance level and a neckline structure over here. So you can see that prices clearly got rejected at this level, and we are anticipating a push up towards this level. So here would be our take profit. So in between this zone, we are looking for ways to buy towards this level, right? So we'll drop down to the hourly time frame. We are looking for ways to enter the market with long entry position. So we can simply wait for a pullback towards this level, and we can actually buy here. So with this, we are looking for at least a 1:1.5 trade. Stop loss below this structure. Can create a level here as well. Next, we have pound dollar. A nice structure here. And we are looking for a long position, right? So with a bullish push phase here, we are dropping down to the hourly time frame to look for buying opportunities. So what we can see over here would be a double bottom created and a potential trendline breakout, or it already did. So we are looking for buying pressure. I would like prices to make a bullish rally towards this level, breaking out of this immediate resistance and comes back to retest before buying over here. And I will aim towards previous high. So if you see the daily, right, we have a level here. So this would be our ultimate target for long. So we can actually aim towards this level as well. So if you drop down to the 4 hour or the hourly, right, you can have a target of about 1:1.2 over here and an extension of target towards this level. So next up we have the New Zealand dollar. You can see that we have a structure here, and with this bullish push phase, right, this may be the higher low that we are looking for, and this serves as a double bottom as well. So dropping down to the lower time frame, right, we have a descending trend line over here where it has been broken, and we are looking for buying opportunities. So we can have a zone here where prices comes back to retest and we buy, aiming previous high. So typically it looks like this. Lastly, for those who trade gold, we have a push phase here and we're looking for buying opportunities. So we have a level of support created here where prices failed to break through, as well as a descending trend line. So pretty straightforward. We'll see a breakout, clearing this high, retest, and we will look for buying opportunities over here. And we'll aim for, we have a stop loss over here and an extension of target towards 1.272 over here.